My name is Talia, and for me, my Jewish identity really revolves around the kitchen and the memories that I have made with my family, inviting friends into the Jewish community to celebrate different holidays with us, and just really thinking about the connections that can be made through food and through the process of making food together. So thinking about family recipes and the history that's tied to them has always been a big part of my identity and my connection to my culture. One recipe specifically is, well, it starts as my grandma's recipe for matzo ball soup. Actually, both of my grandmas, both my mom's mom and my dad's mom, do it a little bit differently. But for me, just the concept of grandma's matzo ball soup really sticks out as something formative throughout my life. It's a staple at holidays. It's a staple when you're sick, when you're not feeling very well, and it just warms you up inside. And actually, a little bit ago on a very rainy Seattle day, for Hanukkah, I made matzo ball soup for my roommates for the first time. I'd never made it myself, but a big process of that was calling my grandmas and seeing what advice they had, what tips they had for the whole cooking process. And so for me, then being able to share that with my friends was really, really meaningful. And putting the work into the cooking process is really a labor of love. And for me, that has always defined my connection to my family and my community, is showing your love and connection to others through providing for them and specifically through cooking for them. And so I'm really excited to share this recipe with you all.